Will from Tuner Gods. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how the vehicle looks. My 2016 STI Limited. It went from stock to stage 1 Cobb. Access board stage 1 plus was already added to the tune, and then front mount intercooler from Cobb was added, and then including the Redline carbon fiber intake system. I just want to give you a quick overview of what it looks like. The fact is that a lot of people have asked, including myself, if it was possible to actually include both, since the filter is actually bigger than the regular filter that Cobb provides for the STI. And it's actually able to put both things together. It's actually comfortable, it doesn't touch. It looks really nice in the car. And then he adds a lot of noise to it. The bushing sound of the turbo is amazing. As you can see, I still got the bypass from it. Having added the other bypass valve, the blow-up valve, and it sounds amazing. I just wanted to share this with you. Any questions about how to put it on together, or anything like that, show me a comment down below. I installed this with a friend of mine. It took about 5 hours to install. It was the whole installation, the removal of the top mount intercooler and everything. Okay, I wanted to share that with you guys. Instead of buying the other one, get the Redline. It protects the filter better. It looks better. It gives it a lot of power to the vehicle when it comes to sound and comfort, especially after adding the tune. Again, this is a stage 1 plus tune from the boy Cobb, and hopefully this helps you guys. I appreciate it. You guys have a very good day. Peace.